Wind Europe azoka honen ondarretan gaude, amaitzear gaude, eta injustu ere Wind Europeen kontseilari delegatuan nolabait arduradun nagusia dugu gure artean, Giles Dickson injustu ere. Ongi etorri, welcome back again, Giles.
Thank you very much, delighted to be here.
At this point of the fair, just about to close, we can make a sort of assessment of balance, a conclusion.
We are very happy indeed. 10,000 people have come.
Wow.
That is more than we had 3 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which one are the key messages we can drop from the fair?
That Europe needs more wind energy as quickly as possible in order to strengthen Europe's energy security. That's what this event is all about. Getting ourselves off imported fossil fuels, especially from Russia. Accelerating the deployment of renewables in order to deliver affordable, local, reliable electricity for the people of Europe and strengthening Europe's energy security.
This one is the moment.
Absolutely.
Okay, do you think that Basque industry is well positioned on floating wind energy?
Yes, you have a very strong supply chain here. Yeah, lots of companies are already involved in the floating offshore wind industry. Bithinai, for example, already providing the mooring cables for Europe's existing floating offshore wind farms. And this market is going to grow hugely. We only have 120 megawatts of floating offshore wind in Europe today. We will have 7 gigawatts by 2030. So the market for Basque companies, and then you have people like Omazábal, of course, Grupo Amper, Nautilus. It's a long, long list of companies here in Euskadi who are going to benefit from the expansion of floating offshore wind in Europe.
Good news indeed.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah.
And what role do you think that hydrogen is going to play in boosting wind energy?
Hydrogen will play a role. Today, electricity is only 25% of all of the energy that we consume in Europe. That's no good. You cannot decarbonize the economy if you do not have much more electricity in the energy mix, because it's the electricity that's going to be clean. The European Union wants to increase the share of electricity in the energy mix from 25% today to 75% by 2050. Okay, now that 75% breaks down 57% the direct electrification of things in transport, heating, industrial processes. We need to electrify directly anything that it's physically possible to electrify, which means electric vehicles. It means electric heat pumps replacing the gas boilers that we have in our houses. It means electrifying a lot of industrial processes. So it's 57% direct electrification in the total energy mix, but then there's another 18%, which is what we call indirect electrification. And that's where we take renewable electricity and we convert it through electrolysis into hydrogen. And that will be 18% of Europe's energy mix by 2050. So hydrogen has an important role to play, but we will only use it, and we should only use it for those things that we cannot electrify directly. And there are many things. Heavy-duty transport, some very heavy industrial processes can only be decarbonized with renewable hydrogen. We can't decarbonize them with renewable electricity. Yeah.
A lot of work to do.
Absolutely.
One last question. How do you feel in the Basque Country back again?
We're delighted to be in the Basque Country. We are always delighted to be here. Yeah, so we first came here in 2016 with a technical workshop here in the Bec. Then we came back with this event in 2019, and now we're back here 2022. We love coming here. We are received so well. Yeah, there is so much enthusiasm and energy and support from all of the local players, including, of course, the local authorities, yes, and, of course, the government of Spain. We're delighted to be here.
Giles Dickson, eskerrik asko, thanks a lot, benetan gaur gurekin izategatik, eta hurrengo bat arteatzen baduzu. See you back again very soon, I hope.
We'll see. Eskerrik asko.
Eskerrik asko.